how to evolve as an online entrepreneur so you can finally launch and scale that online coaching business. What's happening, everyone? Brandon Hofer here from the Online Coach Creator. Today, I'm revisiting one of the most powerful topics that is necessary for you to lock in, get completely dialed in so that you can launch and grow your online coaching business. And it is simply the concept of the entrepreneur's mindset versus the employee mindset. Now, we've talked a lot in the past about how, hey, the employee mindset, this is getting stuck in the session by session mentality. This is being coach focused rather than client focused. Basically, this is the mentality that leaves you stuck because you're not able to advance beyond, hey, I should be compensated hour by hour for the service that I offer. So what's the other key component in developing this entrepreneur mindset? The main component that makes this thing work is that you're finally able to completely fall in love with your client rather than falling in love with your program or service. Now, here's what I mean by that. If you are stuck in the employee mindset, or maybe you've advanced to the entrepreneur's mindset, but you're still kind of like tempted by the employee mindset, that happens a lot too. What it means is you're totally focused in the employee mindset on the actions that you get to take rather than the outcomes that you get to provide. This is the equivalent of me back in the day when I wanted to be a yoga teacher. I was just focused on myself. I said, hey, I want to teach yoga. I want to be up in front of that room guiding people because I think that would be cool for me. Now, that initial desire is fine because that's what got me in the door. It inspired me to get a yoga teacher certification, all that good stuff, and I ended up teaching yoga for a while and having a good time. But I can honestly say, looking back now with the perspective that I have, I was not completely in love with the type of client that I was serving at that time. Now, fast forward, shifting gears, in the business that I currently run, my online coaching business, I'm 100% completely focused on the type of client that I'm serving. Specifically, what I mean by that is my mission now is to be a freedom fighter not only for myself, but for the type of person, you, the type of person who wants to create new levels of freedom in their life, both in terms of income and impact, which, by the way, you can have both, and it's awesome if you have both. We can optimize your business for both profits and client results. So when you're making the evolution, making that leap into the entrepreneur's mindset, it means that you're willing to, for a moment, lay aside that desire to fall in love with your program, even if you're excited about it and it's an awesome program, but instead prioritizing falling in love with your ideal client, the type of person that you're most qualified to serve, and then structuring your program strategically around that love for the client, around that desire to serve them in a meaningful and powerful way. Now, I promise you, if you actually make this shift, you might have to scrap parts of or all of the program that you've been designing in favor of a different type of process or program based on who it is that you want to serve and what type of outcome that you want to deliver to them. But if you're willing to do that, if you're willing to put in the hard work and you can fall in love with your client, all of a sudden what it does is it opens up new levels of inspiration and creativity within you so that you're then able to create better and better, more impactful, more meaningful experiences for that ideal client. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more inspiration, education, and training centered around how to launch and grow your online coaching business, click subscribe below. You're gonna get daily videos from me so that you can build the business that you want and have the life that you deserve. We'll catch you next time.